Good morning and namaskar. Today we'll take a look at Morepen Laboratories with reference to its Q2 FY21 results. Morepen Laboratories products include loratadine, montelukast sodium, atorvastatin calcium and sultamicillin. Now the company markets formulation products in various therapeutic categories such as antibiotics, gastrointestinal, respiratory, analgesic, anti-allergic, neuropsychiatry, etc. So many products are there. I'm not going to mention all the products. The company has 3 state-of-art manufacturing facilities in the northern state of Himachal Pradesh. Management consists of Sushil Suri, Chairman and Managing Director, Arun Kumar Sinha and Sanjay Suri, both full-time directors. Let us look at the highlights of Q2. Net profit after tax has grown sharply by 566% to 27.17 crores. Net profit before tax has jumped 198% on account of better margin realization during the quarter. Net profit after tax has grown by 566%. Net profit before tax has grown by 198%. Both are very impressive. Net revenue is at 340.13 crores against 216.24 crores same quarter last year, a rise of 57%. It is mainly on account of growth in APIs, that is bulk drugs, diagnostic devices and OTC products. API business has remained the lead growth driver in Q2 with a 60% growth, thus contributing 56% to the company's top line. So it has grown by 60%, 185.69 crores is the latest figure for APIs. And this is 56% to the company's top line. EBITDA went up by 99%, cash profit went up by 101%. EBITDA is 35.49 crores, cash profit is 35.2 crores. So, very good. Profit before tax went up by 198% to 27.52 crores. Export sales revenue jumped by 38% to 128.21 crores. Export sales went up by 38%. Domestic sales went up by 73% to 211%. Now, home diagnostic sales. So this is where Morepen is focusing nowadays, it seems. Domestic home diagnostic sales revenue grew up by 98% to 90.35 crores. Thermometer sales, including non-contact infrared thermometers, increased by 311% during the quarter, and that of the blood pressure monitors by 185%. Thermometers and blood pressure monitors both have gone up impressively during the quarter. OTC business sales revenue grew by 53% to 23.07 crores. So wide range of products were launched by the company during the quarter to fight COVID-19 pandemic. Company has been granted 3 new patents for US and Indian markets, in addition to 6 patent applications filed to strengthen the IPR basket of the company. Many new products in anti-diabetes, antidepressant, anticoagulant segments have been developed by the company in the first half of the current fiscal. It has also filed one Drug Master File, DMF, Drug Master File in United States and 3 import drug licenses for Chinese markets. The company has approved issue, this is one thing you need to note, future the equity is going to increase. Company has approved issue of 16.85 crores fully convertible warrants at a price of rupees 25 each, aggregating to 421.25 crores to persons from promoters group. See, it has issued only to promoters group convertible warrants. So promoters equity is going to increase. At the price is 25 rupees. Now these are convertible into equity shares in the ratio of 1:1 when within 18 months. Now, API business, as we have told already, has maintained its lead in the second quarter, contributing 56% to the top line. So, API sales have grown by 60% to 185.69 crores. Within the API segment also, 4 key products are there: loratadine, montelukast, atorvastatin and rosuvastatin. If I remember right, most of these are asthma drugs. Some may be different ones. Montelukast is an asthma drug as far as I know. It contributed to 118.9 crores to the company's top line and registered a growth of 42%. Now, Sushil Suri, Managing Director, says company is investing heavily to build a strong pipeline of products to be launched in the next 3 to 4 years. So they are going to focus on developing new products and launch them. This investment would go both in R&D and building the new product blocks to create extra production facilities. Not only R&D, but also production facilities. So, but where it will be in the chronic and lifestyle diseases segment. Now, Morapin has gained number 1 position in manufacturing and marketing of blood glucose monitors in India, displacing some established multinational players. With a stable base of more than 4 million installations of blood glucose monitors, the company has sold more than 500 glucometer strips, single test till today. From this what we learn is, if it is selling 500 million glucometer strips, usually patients will be purchasing it once in a month or once in 2 months, something like that. So it is good. The sales are going to repeat. This 500 million glucometer strips, the sales will be repeating more. It has gained acceptance in the market. Morapin has also become a leader in blood pressure monitors and nebulizers, asthma, BP, etc. So, to recapitulate in short, net sales have grown by 57.62% year on year and 30.57% quarter on quarter. Final net profit has grown by 566% year on year and 40% quarter on quarter. Equity share 89.96 now. Now they have issued convertible shares, convertible warrants, which will be converted into sales after some time in the 1:1 ratio only to promoters. 25 rupees rate. Basic EPS is still very low at 0.6. Of course, it has grown by 566%. Market price is around 27. Price earning is around 11. Volumes are good. 52-week low is 7.21. High is 34.95. Will it ever again touch 34.95? That will depend upon the market sentiment. Of course, Morepen has performed very well in Q2. Let us hope it will do well in Q3 also. Currently, technical rating is very bullish. Market cap is around 1,200 crores. Now, if you, we should also see the last 5 years sales and net profits. In the last 5 years, sales have grown from 595 crores to 853 crores. March 2020 year is 853, March 2017 595 crores. Net profit has grown from 23 crores to 33 crores. It is not much. In my view, in 5 years it should have at least doubled. So, net profit growth is not much. Sales growth is okay, reasonable. Now, cash flows, if you look at that in the March 2020 year, operating activities just 11 crores, investing activities spending is 12 crores, financing activities 5 crores, net cash flow is 4 crores. Debt equity ratio is nothing, that means the debt is very low or nil. Interest coverage ratio is 21. Gross profit margin 9%, very low. Operating margin 5%, very low. Net profit still low, 4%. So last year, till last year, the percentages were very low. The sales were also the prices. 3 years before 19.8, 2 years before 24.65, 1 year before 17.15, 3 months before 23, 1 month before 29.8, 1 week before 25, always low. So there was never a time when it could come near multi-bagger status. Of course, it was giving, it was not giving dividend for a long time. The last time it gave dividends was in 2002, 30%. Promoters hold equity 34.54%. And on this only they have given convertible warrants. So it will become double. Pledge is 0. But they have taken at 25 rupees price to infuse liquidity into the company for growth needs. So that's okay, good. EPS growth is there, good quarterly growth is there in ROC, etc. Profit margin is improving, net profit and net profit margin are improving, but still very low. Company has got very low debt. Debt is not there, pledge is not there. That's very good. So overall, Morepen is growing, but at the moment very low. See, profitability is very low. So that's the thing. So the price is also very low. Price is very low. Profitability is also very low. Despite the latest quarter is impressively increased. But let us watch. Morepen has potential. So let us watch. Those who, some people prefer low priced shares. So for their sake only I have brought out this Morepen laboratories. But past, it has never gone beyond 25-30 price for the last several years. So in future whether it will grow beyond that, we don't know really. Let us see. I will bring before you another good company. Morepen has performed well in the latest quarter. That there is no doubt. But whether it will improve like this after COVID, we don't know. We'll have to wait and see. Some of the big sales are repetitive. It will come again. Like blood glucose strips, etc. It will come again and again. It has gained number one position there. So let us wait and see. Morepen. We wish Morepen investors all the best of luck. Thank you.